Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a walkthrough of the DASAITA G13 Android Head unit on our RAV4. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the DASAITA G13 Android Head unit on our RAV4. This one has a low profile screen with a wide screen uh, aspect ratio, and this one has a 12.3 inches diagonal screen size, and this one looks great. So this one also has a DTS on your amp or equalizer, and it sounds great. Okay, so first let's talk about the home screen in here. So with the home screen, this is what you're gonna have. This is the UI that they are using. So for this, you'll have the navigation, and it will pull up whatever navigation you have set or you're gonna set. In this case, we're gonna pull up Google Maps. So for that, and it should pull up our GPS location. All right. So for this also, let's go back to home. It has the music tab in here, and if you have some audios saved on the memory, you can play them from here, which right now we don't have any music in here, so we're not gonna able to play anything. And then we have a radio, and this is our FM radio, which there's some preset. I don't listen to FM radio, so, or my wife doesn't listen to any FM radio also. So yeah, so with that, let's just power it off. So it has this dedicated power button for the radio if you want to just turn it off. So next we have the Bluetooth button in here. So basically these are the connected devices. My wife's and my phone has been paired on this particular head unit. So as you can see here, so let's go back home. Video, basically same with music. If you have some saved videos on the onboard storage, it will show up in here, which we don't have. Then we have says amplifier. This is the equalizer. So equalizer you can set up right now. I like it on rock, just the preset on rock, and then you can set up the delay in here, basically which speaker goes. So with this one it is set to all speakers. Basically there will be no delay. You need to set up the delay here manually, and see if you can see here which speaker will have a delay. Again, on this one, I just set it to all. If you want to be the music to be all on the driver's side, you can do that, or on the passenger side. So, or in the back. So I'm setting it to all right now. Okay, and this is the DTS. The DTS, I like this one. It actually enhances the music. All right, so you can turn it off or on. So it's a simple flick of a switch. And then I put it the effect to rock. Basically, it's same as the equalizer. So when the DTS is on, it's a lot better. So now for the volume, you can put up the loudness. It will be much louder than usual. So it will have some gain. I just set it basically to off, and whatever's the default, I don't really care about having loud music because I have factory radio except for the dash uh, speakers. So this one, it has a built-in high pass filter. So like especially on the front, the dash front speakers, those will benefit on this one if you turn on the bypass filter, and you can filter how many hertz you're gonna filter. and that's gonna be awesome. All right. So again, to exit out here, you can just simply swipe down, then the arrow button. Okay, if you want to close all of the apps, just swipe down and then press this button in here and then close everything. All right. So now let's connect CarPlay. So we're going to connect CarPlay on this one. So first on our phone, what we need to do is we're going to connect this to Bluetooth. Okay. So as you see here, Forge Garage. Let's check on my phone if we have. And it's supposed to be 000. Then we're gonna put that. All right. And it's the car kit. If you can see there, it automatically pulled up Z-Link. This is the CarPlay, and then we're gonna click on Use CarPlay, and it should enable our CarPlay now, and it's on our screen. So wireless CarPlay works perfectly fine on this one. So you can see here, we have all of the CarPlay icons. So that's what we have here. All right. So we can play some Spotify, some Stream Beats music, and let's listen a little bit. Let me just check my volume. So it's on 8. So let's put it to 10. Okay, now that we have some music playing, let's compare this to let's pull up the equalizer and turn off the DTS. Yeah, DTS on is awesome. Again, there, it's off right now. One DTS is off. It's like it's all kind of muffled. Now let's turn on DTS. Yeah, DTS on is like awesome. So with the DTS, let me lower the volume here. With the DTS, you have option of cinema, music, you have pro basically, which you are free to adjust everything. But I'm just gonna keep it on the music. Basically, that's my preset for the music. So across the board, basically, it has the preset the same. I did not touch anything except for the rock. All right, let's exit. I'm just gonna close everything. I'm gonna go back to CarPlay, which will connect because I close everything so accidentally. So right now I did not touch my phone. Everything connected fine when you accidentally exit it out like me. So yeah, so CarPlay works fine here. So everything will show up. All right, I don't have any Android phone to show if we can connect it wirelessly, but for sure it can be connected because it has Android Auto also. So for this one, this is nice. I like it. So let's exit. Let's go back here. And again, built-in navigation. You have that music and radio. Now let's connect to my home network, my Wi-Fi, and we'll show some app in here. So it is connected, automatically connected there. So let's go home. So we have Android Auto, Bluetooth music, we have CarPlay, so you have APK installer, all right? Then we have calculator, we have Chrome. So if you want to search the internet, you can definitely search the internet using this. Again, this acts like a mini tablet, so as all of you know. So let's just hit continue, allow, whatever. So let's just pick anything in here. So YouTube. So it should pull up YouTube in here. So you have all YouTube. So let's just search anything. Let's search our channel. All right, so we have our channel in here. So here you go. So it pulls up the mobile version. So let's pull our channel. There's some ads. Let's skip this. Turn it on. There you go. Come on, let's check it out. So it plays YouTube through the web browser. All right. And then again, we have calendar, we have AVN. So you have AVN in here, you have the clock. So basically, these are just the stock apps that it came on the head unit. So you have contacts, we have control settings, we have Fcam, which is gonna pull our front camera. So which is nice, right? Next we have Gmail, we have Google Assistant, file browser, we have control settings. This is for the car. Basically, this is what you can. It's the same with the stock one. You have access to this stuff on the stock one on your head unit also. So you can customize basically everything in here. All right. So that's nice. And next, you have DLNA. This is basically for mirroring. And that's nice that we have this. All right, and that's how you set it up. It will tell you how to set it up here. Just follow the instructions and how you can project. So you have a gallery. Basically, all of your pictures will be saved in here, and that's gonna be nice. So let's just go home. And this one, the gyro or the inclinometer. So with this one, this particular feature in here, this will be very helpful for those who go on trails. So some forerunners, RAV4. With the RAV4, I know some RAV4 owners, they use the RAV4 on off-roading, and this will be nice. This will definitely help them. Okay. Uh, DASAITA also makes head unit for the Forerunner. So Forerunner users, they can also take advantage of this one under G13. So this is gonna be helpful. So this is a nice feature to have. So right now I'm showing negative 10 degrees because I'm on my driveway. So which is on a slight slope. So again, we have Google Maps in here. So that so we can just locate ourselves. So let's just do while using app, and let's press OK, and it quickly found us in there. All right, so let's exit up there. Let's pull up this navigation button in here. It will pull up again Google Maps because that's our preset app to be pulled. All right, so radio, we have mirroring here for our iPhone, which you can definitely set. Again, you have to connect this via Bluetooth or use the cable. So let's try the cable. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in, and there you go. Just click trust, and I'm gonna enter our pin. Hold on, there you go. All right, there you go. So we have mirroring on this. So if you want it, display everything through your phone, you can do so. So it's gonna be on the screen. That's nice. So let's disconnect, and it should disconnect also. So now let's exit. You have Play Store, which you can download the apps, any Android apps basically you can download. which is gonna be nice. So we have our settings, music, QT phone, and this is basically your phone book, sound recording. Okay, we have system update. We have the wheel key study, basically this one for setting up your steering wheel controls. I don't have to set anything. It works perfectly out of the box, and that's awesome. So we have the YouTube app, TPMS, Carbit link, and we have vehicle, we have fuel info in here, and we have tire info. It pulls up our tire pressure. So that's nice. So let's pull up YouTube and let's play any video. Sorry, not any video, but yeah, so let's just play whatever. So actually, let's not play that. Let's play this. And I'll put the volume at 0 just to show you that there's picture showing in here. So as you see here, it plays well. Can't play any music right now. So full screen is basically same. So one thing also you can do on this one, all right, I'll put this to, I'll go back home. That will stop, right? Let's pull up our maps. All right, as you see here, what we need to do next is press that. And there you go, you have split screen. You can do that. Okay, one side will be your navigation, one side will be your YouTube video, Netflix, whatever you want. All right, so again, to do that, press the active app button. You press the button or the icon. Like for this one, you can do split left or split right. So then have this. There you go. We have TPMS on this. We have video on the right side. So again, it's up to you how you're gonna customize that. All right. So yeah, so this is a nice head unit. The audio quality is actually got better. Okay. Also, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. This is a nice head unit. I like the low profile uh, design of this particular head unit. Again, this is an awesome head unit. It got the Qualcomm 665 CPU and has a nice GPU also. Again, for this one, you won't be using this for games. So again, this is a nice head unit for an Android head unit for cars. This is nice. All right. So again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Uh, again, thank you for watching.